Right.
Hi,
Hannah.
Miss. Hi.
Haley. Hi. Do you want to say hello? You just want to sniff things? He's a good girl. Hi, Hannah. You're very friendly. You're very friendly, so we're glad to be out of the shelter. We gotta go see Miss Caitlin. Come on. Good girl. Good girl, Haley. Hi. Oh. Oh, is that what you've been wanting?
Oh, baby.
Oh.
Hi. Oh, you just want to kick back? Okay. I'm good with this.
You're spending the night, right?
Hi. Hi.
Hannah and Haley are our new Puka and Friends members.
And I'm just the toy for them to climb on.
They just came from the White County shelter and they're very glad to be out.
I'm getting a lot more kisses from you now.